In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Canva designs to marketing emails in HubSpot. We'll use HubSpot's direct Canva integration, which is the fastest way to build real-time visuals like banners or buttons without leaving your email workflow. This approach keeps everything in one place, so your design flows directly into your template and stays organized in your HubSpot file manager for future use. Start by opening the email editor. In your HubSpot account, go to Marketing, then Email, and create a new marketing email or open an existing one. You'll land in the Drag and Drop editor, which makes it easy to place images exactly where you want them. Next, add an image module. Drag the image element into your email layout. This creates the spot where your Canva design will live, so you can control its position within your content. Now, select Design with Canva. Click the Image module, then click Select Image. In the file manager that opens, look to the right panel or the bottom right area. Click the Upload icon or the More option and choose Design with Canva. The exact location can vary slightly depending on your screen size, but it's right inside the file manager. Create and save your graphic. Choose a format such as banner to start with the right dimensions. If you are prompted, log into your Canva account. Design in the Canva pop-up just like you normally would apply your brand colors and fonts. Keep the layout clean and make sure text is legible at typical email widths. When you are done, click Save in the top right. Canva will hand the finished image back to HubSpot automatically. Insert the design into your email. After saving, your new graphic appears in the HubSpot file manager. Select it and it will be placed into the image module you added earlier. From there, you can align it or size it within the editor to match your layout. Since the asset is stored in your HubSpot files, you can reuse it in future emails without redesigning. If you prefer not to use the integration, here is another option. In Canva, download your design as a PNG or JPG, then upload that file directly in your HubSpot email via the image module or the file manager. This gives you the same end result using a simple upload. That's it. Thanks for watching.